Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Muaimin. Student ID 224722021 from class B English Education Program. In this video, enjoying to explain an important topic in linguistic, phonetic, and phonology. We'll explore how English sounds are made, pronounced, and how they influence meaning. So, let's get started. Part 1. Phonetic. What is phonetic? Phonetic. What is phonetic? Phonetic is the study of how speech, sound are produced and heard. It focuses on the physical aspect of sound, what your mouth, lips, tongue, and vocal cords do. Now let's begin with phonetic. Phonetic focus on the physical aspect of sound, how the sound come out of our mouths. We will discuss two main types, consonant and vowels. Consonant 1. P. Voiceless bilabial plosive. Lip pressed together and relaxed with a puff of air. Example: pen, pop, cap, and pepper. Next, B. Voice bilabial plosive. Some as P, but with vocal cord vibration. Example: bird, big, cap, and baby. Next, T. Voiceless alveolar plosive tongue toucher. The alveolar dries, the releases. Example: tap, tub, cat, and water. Next, D. Voice alveolar plosive some as T, but with voice. Example: dog, door, and red. Next, K. Voiceless velar plosive back of the tongue, toucher the soft plate. Example: cat, k, car, and bug. Next, G. Voice velar plosive some as K, but voice. Example: go, gum, bag, and golf. Next, voiceless labiodental fricative. Top teeth touch the bottom, lips air passes through. Example: fan, fish, fun, and coffee. Next, v. Voice labiodental fricative some possession of but with voice. Example: fan, voice, live, and move. Next, voiceless dental fricative tongue between the teeth, no voice. Example: think, think, bat, and teach. Next, nah. Voice alveolar nasal tongue teaser alveolar rise nasal sound. Example: net, nose, nice, and run. Voice velar nasal back of tongue teaser velum. Example: sing, long, song, and king. Next, l, l. Voice alveolar lateral airflow allow the sign of the tongue, example let, love, and calm. R, 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 ra. Postaviolar approximation, tongue near but not touching the roof of the mouth, example red, run, and red. Next, z. Voice parental approximation like the E and yes, example yes, you, yellow, and you. Next, v. Voice labial velar approximation, lips rounded, tongue at the back, example wind, we, and water. Next, voiceless glottal fricative, British sound from the throat, example head, hello, and house. After consonants, let's take a look at vowels, the core of most English syllables. Vowels A, I, U, A, O. A. Mouth fed and open, tongue low and front, example cat, head, and man. A. Vowels A, I, U, E, O. A. Mouth wide, open, tongue low and front, example cat, head, and map. I. Tongue thick and front short and relaxed, example seed, fish, and big. U. Tongue indicator, neutral sound, cap, sun, and love. E. Tongue mid front, lips relaxed, example bird, red, and pen. O. British English, mouth open and round, tongue back and low, example hat, dog, and not. Here we talk about the physical aspect of sound. Now let's move on the phonology, which is about how those sound function within a language system. Phonology focuses on patterns, rules, and how sounds are used to distinguish meaning in words. So, what is phonology? Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in natural language and focus on sound system, patterns, and rules. Let's explore important concepts in phonology. 1. Minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are pairs of words that differ by only one sound but have different meaning. Example pet, bird, p versus b, fan, fan, f versus f, tin, ten, I versus E, cup, cup, P versus B, rice, lice, R versus E. 2. Assimilation. Assimilation is a process in which one sound becomes similar to a neighboring sound. It helps speech flow more smoothly and naturally. Example: input. The n changes to because n comes before the bilabial p. This is challenge progressive assimilation. Next, handbag. Na become mah to match the bilabial b. This makes it easier and faster to pronounce. Next, good boy. The change to b because of the flowing b. This is regressive assimilation. Next, have to becomes under the influence of the voiceless t. Next, don't you. T plus z merges into the bilabial p. This is challenge progressive assimilation. Next, handbag. Na become mah to match the bilabial b. This makes it easier and faster to pronounce. Next, good boy. The change to b because of the flowing b. This is regressive assimilation. Next, have to becomes under the influence of the voiceless t. Next, don't you. T plus z merges into tz, a common assimilation in face or casual speech. Next, deletion. Deletion is when a sound is left out in casual or fast speech. The makes for easier to pronounce. Example, friendship. The is deleted to simplify the consonant cluster. Next day. The t is dropped between two consonants for smoother flow. Next, camera. The middle vowel is removed to reduce syllables. Next, family. The E is deleted to simplify the pronunciation. Next, library. One library. Next, library. One syllable is dropped for easier articulation. Insertion. Insertion is the process of adding extra sound into a word to make pronunciation smoother, especially between the full sound transition. Example, prince. A t is inserted between na and s to make the transition easier. Next, go on. Inserting between two vowels to help connect this smoothly. Next, film. An extra added between e and m to make the word easier to pronounce, especially by some dialect speakers. Next, family. A vowel e is added to easy the transition between consonants. something. Or po sound is added naturally between m and for easier articulation. Next, phoneme. Phoneme is smallest unit of sound in language that can change the meaning of word. Example, p versus b, z versus z, t versus d versus sh versus s. Next, elephone. An elephone is a variant of a phoneme that does not change the meaning of a word. Example, t. T is unaspirated, no puff of air, butter. Sh. Next, p. In pain. T in stop. T is unaspirated, no puff of air. After sh is aspirated in the beginning of the word. Next, N. In nail, n, or has a normal nasal pronunciation at the start. Next, E. In le. Clear it the begin. Tongue toucher the rise. Next, K. In skill. K in unaspirated because it follows z. That was a complete explanation of phonetic and phonology in English, from consonant and vowels to process like assimilation, deletion, insertion, minimals, pairs, phonemes, and allophone. I hope this helped you understand how sound work in language, both physical and functionally. Thank you for you watching. Billahi fisabil haq fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.